We're going to the Bahamas. We're going to the Caribbean. And we're going to look up some pot cakes while we're there. We're really excited about that. All right, 4:30 in the morning. We are getting ready to catch the shuttle. We were woken up last night around 2:30 with a text from United telling us that our 6 a.m. flight has been postponed 5.5 hours. My initial thought was, oh yes, thank the Lord, I get to sleep in. But then I remembered that means we miss the rest of our flights. So we are up and we're gonna go to the airport and see what we can figure out. We have to get to Tampa for our flight to the Bahamas. So wish us luck. We're gonna be running around pretty crazy this morning. I'm not sure when I'll check in again, or we'll be sitting and waiting for hours and hours and hours, and I'll have lots of time to check in. What do you think, Shannon?
I agree.
That's all I get?
Thank you. Really
All right, guys, really good news. United Airlines pulled through for us and got us on a flight to Chicago on American Airlines. So it looks like we're gonna make all of our connecting flights. So things are looking good. Also getting through security with the aerial camera went really well. It was a thing, but made it through. The guy was a big fan of aerial footage, which was helpful. All right. Check in when we get to Chicago and get some coffee in us. Hey guys, we made it on to our second flight. Everything's going really well, and also scored a window seat, so I'm going to be able to get some footage. Very, very cool. It was a packed flight, and so far we've been able to carry all of our bags onto both flights, so it's very cool. You ready to be on camera? It's still kind of early. I'll check in with you guys in Tampa. We're in Chicago right now. See you soon. Headed to the plane, taking us to the Bahamas. What are you saying?
I'm a little bit nervous. It's the smallest plane I've ever been on.
Wow. It'll be fine. Not a very big plane. What do you think? Ready for it?
I'm nervous.
It's gonna be awesome. Alright guys, we've got our car at the Bahamas. Let's check out the sign on the rearview mirror. Keep laughing! Hey guys, we've made it to our house for the week. It was a long day. I don't think I slept really, maybe 30 minutes last night. Had some trouble, of course, that you've heard about with the first flight. Everything worked out. I think our layovers were like maybe 30 minutes or something like that.
Less than the time it took us to find this place.
Yeah. So our biggest trouble of the day is when we got here to the Bahamas to Treasure Key, we could not find the place for us to check in. 90 minutes we drove around trying to find it, no signage at all. Anyway, but as you can see behind us, check out that. We got here and the store's closed in like 30 minutes, so we had to run around and do some shopping real quick. We're not sure what we're doing for dinner tonight, but we're gonna go put on bathing suits and go get in the water and then figure out dinner a little bit later. We'll be checking in with you guys. Thanks for joining us here on this trip in the Bahamas. See you soon. Hey guys, we just got finished jumping in the water and we read about a bonfire that's happening tonight. So we're gonna go try to locate it. I think there's a DJ happening as well, or hopefully it will prove to be fun. We're gonna take you with us. Here we go. Guys, I said that it's a live DJ. Actually, I think it's a live band tonight. This is gonna be cool. I also have the 360 camera. So if there's a bonfire, like we think so, I'm gonna try to get some cool footage of that tonight. All right. Shannon is here. We're kind of daydreaming about living in the Caribbean. And so tell them what you were saying about donkeys.
Well, I'm going to have hot cake dogs and kitty cats, but I'm also going to have a couple donkeys.
What are you going to do with those donkeys?
And I'm going to ride my donkey to the grocery store. And I'm going to have a couple of baskets on my donkey, so I'll put the groceries in the baskets and I'll walk them back home.
That's pretty crazy. So we are at a restaurant called Coco's, our first time here. We've got a live band and a DJ happening right now. I'm also doing my first, I guess, really official video with the Gear 360, which is the 360 camera from Samsung. I'm looking at my lighting right now on this camera, which, look at that screen. It is killer. Unbelievable. The 360 doesn't look near this good. I could crank up the ISO, but it started to look really grainy. I'm running the G7X Mark II just at default camera settings. I haven't even had a chance to really look through them much, but just running default, and this is what we're getting. It's really, really dark right now.
Yeah.
Like, we're absurdly lit.
And it looks like it's daylight outside.
Yeah, so pretty crazy. Canon, so far, great job with this camera. We'll check in a bit. Check it out. They got the bonfire going. This camera is freaking crazy. It looks like it's daytime. I don't even, there's some like festival lights. Check this out. That's the only thing that's here that's lighting me. Out of focus and all. And they're probably focused. There we go. They're probably 15 feet away, plus 15 feet or more away from me. It's crazy. Check out that bonfire though. I have to find a good place for the 360 camera. Let's go find a place. Okay, let's go. Hey, what's up guys? I'm headed down to the bonfire. I am walking in sand that is so deep. It's really awkward to walk in. I've got the 360 camera running up there near our table at the stage, or at the restaurant. This is the bonfire fire. I'm gonna switch around and show you guys. So we just finished dinner at Coco's Beach Bar, right?
Yes.
Everything was very, very delicious. They did have a bonfire going, which was pretty cool, but not a lot of people here tonight, so it wasn't really like a bonfire vibe. So we decided, since it's been such a long day, we're gonna head home and try to get a little bit of rest tonight, so we can have a great day tomorrow. So I think this is probably it for the day.
I think so.
All right, we will see you guys tomorrow on Sunday.
Yep.
All right, later.